Hello everyone, in this video we'll study algebraic identities. These identities are used to simplify algebraic expressions. In my earlier video, you saw how we actually multiplied different terms to get results, answers. Now we'll use identities to get answers in simplification questions of algebraic expressions. So, algebraic identities. First identity that we use in simplification is a plus b whole square. It is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second identity is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. First we'll talk about these two identities. You see, first identity is a plus b whole square. What does it mean? It is what when we multiply a plus b with a plus b. These are two binomials, and to get answer of this, what we will do, we will multiply first term with these two terms and then second term with these two terms. A into a plus b plus b into a plus b. Like this. Now we will get a into a is a square plus ab plus BA plus B into B square. It is equal to AB and BA are same. A square plus 2AB plus B square. We have learned in like terms that when factors are same, the terms are like, and we can add in that case. So you see, when we took left hand side, that is a plus b whole square, that is a plus b into a plus b, we got right hand side. This is how this identity is obtained. So in questions, we will use this identity directly. We will not multiply algebraic expressions like we have multiplied here, we'll use directly. Similarly, if we actually multiply a minus b with a minus b, we'll get answer this. That is a into b, a into a, that is a square, minus a into b, ab, minus b into a, ba, and minus minus plus b square. We get right hand side a square minus 2ab plus b square. So these are the two identities, and this is the way how we obtain these identities. Now we'll use these identities in different questions. Using identity, how we will simplify this question? Using first identity, that was a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here what we see that a is 2x and b is 3y. We'll solve using this identity. So 2x whole square plus 2 into a means 2x. 2x into b means 3y plus b square means 3y square. It will be equal to 4x square plus, we'll multiply all these as we did earlier. 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 3 12, 4 into 3 12, 12xy plus 3y whole square means 9y square. So this will be the answer. You will do it like this, using this identity, not by actually multiplying these two binomials. This what we did earlier when we multiply two identities. Suppose we have to find value of 103 whole square, not by actually multiplying 103 into 103. You will not use this. We will use identity to solve this question. How we'll do? We'll write it as 100 plus 3 whole square. We know 103 can be written 100 plus 3. Okay. Now using identity again, a plus b whole square. It is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a is 100 and b is 3. So 100 square plus 2 into a means 100 into b 3 plus b square means 3 square. 100 square will be 10,000 plus 600. 2 into 100 into 6, 3 plus 3 square is 9. Now we'll add all these three numbers. What we'll get? 10609. So square of 103 will be 10609. So this is the way how we use identity in problem solving. Now if this is another question to be simplified, how we'll do? We'll first try to find out which identity we will use. We have just talked about two identities. One is a plus b whole square and another one is a minus b whole square. So what we'll see that it suits second identity. Here also we have minus sign and here in this identity we have minus sign. This identity is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here in this question a is 2x and b is 3y. So we'll use this again. A square means 2x square minus 2 into a, 2x into 3y plus b square means 3y whole square. 2x square is equal to 4x square minus 2 to 4, 4 3 12, 12xy plus 9y square. So this will be the answer when we have to simplify 2x minus 3y whole square. Now if we have to find out square of 99, not by actually multiplying 99 into 99. How we'll find out? We'll use identity. We can write 99 as 100 minus 1 whole square. Now we see we have minus sign here. So we can use identity a minus b whole square, which is again equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here in this question a is 100 and b is 1. A square means 100 square minus 2 into 100 a into b 1 plus 1 square b square, that is 1. 100 square is 10,000 minus 200 plus 1. What it will be? It will be 9,800 plus 1. First we have subtracted 200 from 10,000, that will be 9,800 and plus 1 will be 9,801. So this will be the answer of 99 square. We have not actually multiplied 99 into 99. We are using identity in this question solving. This is it with this video. We'll learn other two identities in the next video. Thank you.